everybody, how are you? I hope you all are fine, safe, staying at home, not troubling to your parents and your siblings too. As you all know that due to coronavirus, that is COVID-19 pandemic, we all are at our home. Your school is closed, but your education should not stop. Education is a continuous learning process, and to keep you in the flow of this learning process, we are going to have some educational videos for you. I hope you will have better learning experience than before. Now, we are waiting for what? Let's start the video. See, this is your standard 6 textbook for this year. Now let's see what kind of syllabus is there to study. You can see on the screen contents page. Now here there are 16 lessons for you to study. Out of these 16 lessons, only 8 lessons will be there for first term and rest will be there for the second term. Now this first 8 lessons I am going to give you little information about them, and afterward there is one puzzle for you to solve, and this puzzle you can solve just by understanding these 8 lessons names. Now first lesson, natural resources, air, water and land. In this lesson there is importance of air, water and land, how they are getting polluted, how to conserve them, what kind of solution we should have to save them. Lesson number 2, the living world. In this lesson we will come to know that in the living world around us we are not alone. There are many living things around us, including plants and animals. Lesson number 3, diversity in living things and their classification. In this lesson, you can understand that living things are of variety. There's a great variety of living things like plants and animals. In plants, right from small herb, shrub till such a tall trees. And even in animals, right from ant till huge animals. To study them, it becomes very hard and difficult, so there's a need of classification. Then lesson number 4 is disaster management. In this lesson you will come to know that there are some calamities, some are natural, some are man-made, but when we encounter with these calamities, what kind of action to be done. Lesson number 5, substances in surroundings, the states and properties. In this lesson you will come to know that various substances are there in our surrounding and they exist in various states. You know, states of matter, solids, liquids and gases. In this lesson you will come to know about their properties. Lesson number 6, it's a substances in daily use. You will come to know that how amazing it is that daily use things are made, how, which kind of things are used to make them. Lesson number 7 is nutrition and diet. In this lesson you will come to know what is the process of nutrition and how living beings getting their nourishment and they're having their growth and development. Lesson number 8, it's our skeletal system and the skin. In this lesson you will come to know about structure and function of bones and even skin. Now let's see the puzzle. Here is puzzle for you. You have to solve this puzzle as early as possible when you receive this video. You have to send answer of this puzzle to me on my WhatsApp number. Here is my WhatsApp number. That's it for today. I will be coming very soon back to you with another video. Thank you for watching.